na fall ako mga B. Fall na fall. Kakaya kasi nakabarong silang lahat dito. Tapos sige nga, tapos ako nakahandok. Hindi ako mananakop, B, kasi ako yung nagpasakop. Uy! O, tapos sabihin ng pare, I now pronounce you. I do! Huwag na tayo mag-seremonyas, B. I-skip na natin yung buong process. Cheers to forever! Tsura niya! Uy, iyak ako pala.
Please rise for the national anthem.
Tapos ayun nga, lahat sila nakabarong, tapos ako nakaganito. Tapos baka sabihin nila sa loob na, huy, may nananakop. Hindi ako mananakop, B, kasi ako yung nagpasakop. Huy!
So nandito tayo today guys sa mansyon na ginamit bilang hideout ng karakter ni Christopher De Leon na Don Ramon sa Ang Batang Quiapo. Sa mga nanonood ng BL series, ginamit din itong mansyon na ito bilang palasyo ng kaharian ng Zorbania sa BL series na Rainbow Prince. Kaya halina't samahan niyo akong libutin ang palasyo na magmula ngayon ay tatawagin na nating Bahay ni Ate. Bahay ni Ate! Yes, B. Kasi ang mansyon na ito ay orihinal na pagmamayari ng pamilya Zobel. Partikular ni Doña Margarita Zobel de Ayala. Makikita sa kanilang museo na milagrong nakaligtas ang mansyon na ito noong ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig. Lalo na't ginamit itong himpilan ni Lieutenant General Joseph Swing matapos nilang mapalaya ang syudad ng Parañaque. Pero bago yan, umattend muna tayo ng event mga B.
Hi, for those participating, please follow me for the fashion show. To begin with, please welcome our judges at the back. The first one is Miss Emery Penetova. She's the Operations and Events Management Head. There at the back. The next one is Miss Joanna Modestano, the Facilities Management Head. And lastly, Miss Yani Figueroa, our Marketing Head. Alright? So before...
Meanwhile, flashback.
Tapos alam nyo, wala pa kasi yung event. Tignan nyo, kasi silip tayo dun sa labas. Dapat kasi cultural dance na. Ang binayaran lang namin kasi dito yung yung self-guided tour at saka yung tsaka yung teka sandali baka marinig tayo sa labas kaya magbubulong lang tayo dito. Ang binayaran lang namin dito yung cultural dance at saka yung tour sa paligid. Hindi kasama yung fashion show. So ngayon para nakalibre kami kanina. So tapos iba-vlog ko ito, malalaman nila, mapanood nila. Ayan to, nakalimutan kay linya ko. Ano ba gagawin ko? Ayun dahil wala pa nga yung wala pa yung event. Kaya natatempt ako na mag-transform. Crown Prince, nakakaya kasi nakabarong silang lahat dito. Tapos sige nga, tapos ako nakahandbok. Sige nga. Tapos tignan mo, ayan o. Napaka-Spanish nung background mga B. Ayan o. Oh. Di ba? Tapos mag-handbook ako. Hanfu, actually, kasi ning dynasty. Pero wala pa naman tao, kaya sige, push lang natin. Oo, why not?
End of flashback.
To start with, Happy Philippine Independence Day. We at Palacio de Memoria would like to express our profound gratitude in choosing to spend this national holiday with us. As we honor our nation's history, let us build a better and bright community that is shaped by unity and understanding. Mabuhay ang kalayaan, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Thank you.
Introducing our Pista sa Palasyo candidates!
Thank you so much,
Malihanap ko kung nasa yung CR. Hindi pa talaga ako dapat papasok doon sa mansion proper. Naligaw ako kasi look. Oh, ito pala yung CR mga be. Mansion naman kasi Maglalak pala ako guys. Wait lang. Diba? Oh my God, papa, nakabalik na ako ng palasyo. Kunin ko na yung mana ko. Huy! Oo nga naman, hindi ko naisip ilaw, be. Ang ilaw nga pala. Yun. Diba?
I appreciate how the current owner of this mansion has put in a lot of effort into restoration. Especially that this was once the abandoned building that looked like a haunted house that you will see when you pass by Rojas Boulevard. But look at it now, sabi ng Luili family. Slay! As you can see, there are art pieces even inside the men's restroom. This is because the current owner of this mansion, the Luili family, happens to own the only auction house in the Philippines who specializes in European antiquities. Later, I'll ask somebody to take a footage of the women's comfort room so that I can also show it to you guys. But for now, ito yung sa boys mga B. Kita mo, granite yung buong wall. Tignan nyo naman, fully tiled yan mga B. Tapos mamaya pag pulbos ko, maalikabok na yan, charis.
So, dapat pag ganyan din ang out ako later. Talo pa. Sipag liya. Talo si Atisa na sinabi ni Atisa.
When I fall down in life, I make sure that I come back stronger. Hindi ka kasali, B!
Cute.
Again for yoga. Up next, we have Jonathan and Pia Villanueva. A round of applause, please, for Jonathan.
Ang kulit niya.
Thank you so much, Jonathan.
Artista to
Up
isa.
next, our model number 6 is Gianna Paige Papa. A round of applause, please.
Ayan, taray din.
Thank you so much, Diana. Up next, our model number 9 is Mateo Hayes. A round of applause, please.
Oh, gwapo bata. Pogi.
Thank you so much, Mateo. Our model number 10 is Khalil Figueroa. A round of applause, please.
Si Bonnie pala.
Thank you so much, Khalil. And last but not the least, a round of applause for our model number 11, Johan Palgoa.
Yeah. Shy. Ay, shy. Ako pala to eh. Uy, iyak ako pala to eh.
Thank you so much, Johan. So allow me to call back our models again. So they'll be walking again the runway. They'll be doing their little goals, take photos, and then after that, the judges will be deliberating their scores. Alright, once again, please welcome our Pistas sa Palacio models.
pogi na naka-blue.
So for this one, please give us a few moments to take their photos here on stage. Okay, mommies, daddies, and our guests.
So here's the women's comfort room. As you can see, mas maluwag siya. They even have this antique sofa and this golden full length mirror. I managed to get somebody to take a footage while they're outside deliberating. Pero bago pa nila ma-discover na hindi kasama sa binayaran namin yan, sibat na tayo mga B! So this is the decommissioned Antonov 24B, a Ukrainian aircraft from Kiev that once belonged to Mosfil Aero. 30 years ago, 4 nations in Southeast Asia, Brunei Darussalam, Indonesia, Malaysia, and what the Europeans once called the Venice of the East, Las Islas Filipinas, the islands Philippines, created the East ASEAN Growth Area, also known as BIMPIAGA, an economic cooperation initiative whose goal is to increase trade, investment, and tourism among its member nations. And this is what Mosfil Aero attempted to take advantage. This is a 50-seater passenger plane that planned to start a Zamboanga City, Sandakan, Kota Kinabalu route. But sad to say, their operations didn't last for long. Bale, plane to sa umaga tapos bar sa gabi. Collab to ni Camille Willie at ni Mike Hearn ng Run Rabbit Run. Si Mike Hearn nga pala, siya yung asawa ng anak ni Gretchen Barreto at ni Tony Boy Coangco. Kung may copy kayo nung magazine ng Metro na weddings, ayun, na-feature silang dalawa doon, nung kasal nila. In-flight cocktails way above the sky in the 1960s ang peg nila, kaya ganito ang aesthetics. As you can see, may leather sofa, theater lounge seats, antique carpets, and statement light fixtures to capture the vibrance of an era gone by.
Alam nyo na, buti na lang aircon dito sa airplane na to. Ayan o, nakita ko sa inyo may aircon. Kasi kung hindi ang init mga be. Ay mga kachona pala, mga kachona. Yun yung tawag ka sa community ko. Thank you, Jimson. Ay!
And speaking of cocktail, ala, lasing na ata siya.
Dapat sabi nila, tamang paghawak ng wine. Ay, dapat dito lang. Hindi ba? Like this. Ito ang tamang paghawak ng wine mga babe. Kasi ginaganyan pa nila sa NRT. Di ba? Pag yan ginaganyan muna nila yan. Di ba? Tapos, aamoy na yun. Hoy! Cheers to forever! Tsura niya!
Meanwhile, flashback.
Dahil ang ganda dito sa may airplane, hindi ko na napigilan, kaya nag-transform na talaga ako, be. Ayan na! wait lang. Tapusin ko lang buuin yung outfit ko. Maganda ba nakalabas ng collar or nangyayari? Pasok yung collar. Guys! Nahulog yung belt ko! Oh my God! Nahulog yung belt ko. Guys, payat na ako, be. Nahulugan naman ng belt. Wala ng belt si Crown Prince. Nahulog yung belt ni Crown Prince. Kasi angat ko siyang ganyan. Oh my God, yung duster ko mga bi. Walang pag-asa. Kasi tanggalin kasi natin. Wala kasi yung pasensya na wala yung mga tagapaglingkod ko dito. Kaya hindi ako marunong mag-ayos mag-isa. Like that. Diba?
Tagal.
End of flashback.
The main feature of the mansion is the terrazzo flooring, a style originally developed in Italy in the 15th century.
Paramdam ka, Lord. Paramdam ka, Lord. Mahal mo ako, Lord. Iyak talaga ako. Kaya sabi ko, kung totoo ka, Lord, paramdam ka naman. Paramdam ka naman,
Diba?
Lord. Paramdam ka.
Thank you, Kuya. So guys, dito kailangan yung kailangan yung mag-ingat kasi ang kitid ng stairs. Baka kayo ma-fall. Uy! Madalian lang to kasi nahihiya ako kasi hindi pa ka nag-start yung cultural dance. Kaya I'm taking advantage na mag-transform. No? Para maupuan ko lang yung trono niya. Kasi nga I'm taking my rightful place in the earth. Ay, suot ko pa pala yung crown, mga be. Teka, wait lang.
On our next episode, samahan niyo akong pasukin ang museo ng mansyong ito at magbalik tanaw sa nakaraan. Nang sa gayoy mas lalo nating mapahalagahan ang kasarindang tinatamasa natin sa kasalukuyan. Once again, this is the Prince of Happiness and I am the King you never had.